everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I would really like to improve as every freaking day of your life and to make it better and more efficient, and today specifically more affordable. So today I've got a huge haul of a great home, surrounding and delicate products that I've got from aliexpress.com. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to AliExpress and to all of the products as well. So currently AliExpress have a great event that started at the 1st of November and that will last till the 11th of November. And guys, all of the discounts that are available on AliExpress for a bunch of different types of products, they are just crazy. They are like up to 90% off discounts. So today I'm gonna review and show you the haul of a bunch of different types of products that made my life to be more delicate with way less money. These are needy, useful, every single day products that we need in our daily life. And usually you can find these products for like 100 to 150, some of them maybe $200 out there. And today I'm gonna show you all these products at the super and crazy, extremely affordable prices with price comparison and with listings and with everything else. So for an example, I've got a bunch of different types of products like hairbrush, like a massage gun as well, bunch of different, many different cool products for whatever you can only imagine to have. Hair products, like beauty products, like this body slimmer is amazing, a steamer and a hair curler. All these are an excellent product that each one of us needs, and I found this at a super very affordable prices as a great cost alternative product to the expensive and other products out there. So let's get started. I am so very excited, guys, to tell you the prices and to show you the AliExpress event that just started today, this day, right now. Let's get started.
Okay, you guys, so I will start with this Samadra bidet. This is an attachment that goes on to your toilet seat, and it comes with a dual nozzle, and it's a bidet. So it's actually an ultra slim product that comes with a great stable water pressure, and this one is not electric one. It works great for both rear wash and any type of a feminine wash. Comes with a dual nozzle, which allows you to use it in any way that works for you. This one is an ultra 5 millimeters only thick, so it means that this is an ultra slim one. This is a 60% thinner than the traditional bidet, which are usually 12 millimeters. This one is so very easy to install. It only takes about 15 minutes to install this one, and there is no need in any professional help. You can definitely do it all by yourself. $29.68. Currently it's on sale. And now let me show you this one. Exactly the same product. Check out the pictures, like it's the same product. And this one for sale for $99.90 after a discount. Can you believe this, guys? That's what I told you guys from the beginning of this video. I am gonna improve your life today. I'm gonna show you all these products, delicate product that will improve your life for way more affordable prices than you can find out there. And guys, with the event, these products are even gonna go cheaper and it's gonna be even more affordable. Okay, let's move on. Now, I've got this automatic electronic snake. This one actually works super cool. If you have any pets, they are gonna be amazed by this one. Check out the video. Also, you can use it as a toy for your kids. If you have kids, for your dogs, for your cats, for whatever pets or kids you are having around your home, or even for yourself, this is definitely a great toy to play with by yourself. So this one goes for $13.46, and this one is just so very cute and so very cool. You guys seen this video, it just works amazing. The next product, it's this body slimmer massager, and I found an alternative, guys, for this one to show you off, but call by call. So this is an ultrasound cavitation device. It's a body slimmer that works on the EMS ultrasonic technology. This is a body slimming massager and it is burning the fat, and it is 3-in-1. So you can use it on your face as a facial lifting EMS infrared ultrasonic massager and like lifting device. Also, you can use it as an ultrasound slimming device for your body and as a fat burner cavitation face beauty device as well. So it's lifting, it's EMS, it's infrared, it's ultrasonic, it's slimming, and it's a fat burner. Isn't that so great? Ultrasonic vibration, fat infrared slimming, and EMS technology acupuncture. You can use it all over your body, on your face, on your waist, on your arms, on your legs, on your butt, whatever. It is gonna tighten your skin and burn the fat with no rebounds. And guys, same, check out the price. So this one is on AliExpress for 23.59 cents after a 60% off, as well as it comes with a 5% cashback and an extra 1% off. And I found an alternative for this product on Amazon. Same device, same thing, same idea, on the same body areas, on exactly the same technology, but this one goes for $110. Guys, this is the difference. This one will go for $23. And the alternative devices that works exactly the same on the same technology and the same idea of a device will go for $110. Now tell me this is not the best day of your life. Like, I mean, all these prices and all these products are so needy in our daily life. The next product will be this massage gun, and this is actually a great and a deep full body massager for muscle pain relief. It's a great for those who are working out, for those who are exercising. It is a slimming, shaping massager as well. This one comes with 6 different massage heads. So this one is only $43.34 on AliExpress on the super deal sale, and this is a 51% off plus the coupon code, of course. I really hope, guys, you are excited the same way I am. Next, this is a Smart Me humidifier. And this is the most favorite one actually, because it works so very well. This is a first mist-free humidifier that I've seen in my life. So what is a mist-free actually humidifier? It means that you do not see the mist itself. It is working, it's there, it's humidifying your air all around your house, but the mist itself is invisible. Isn't it great? It's like a newest technology, it's an invention, and it's just great. Also, it comes with a smart screen display, which I really love. I'd love to turn it off for the night. You can definitely turn it on or off, or completely touchable control your humidifier, as well as it comes with an application so you can fully control your humidifier directly from your smartphone. And I love the large 4 liters water tank it comes with. It will display the humidity level, it will display how much water is it still there at the tank, so you will always know, and you can get a notification to your cell phone when you need to add more water to your humidifier. It will just notify you, or you will see it written on the screen, or throw your cell phone at the application. So currently this one is for sale for $124 at the super deals sale before the coupons. Of course, that once you are gonna apply all the coupons, you are gonna get even a better and a lower price. Same brand, same product on Amazon, but for $160. Yes, $160. Isn't it crazy? So this one, it's just definitely cheaper for exactly the same product. Same brand, same product. Isn't that amazing? Yes. The next product that I've got, it's this handheld steamer. And I love to iron my items, my clothes, only with a steamer. I hate using iron. I just never ever using irons. I'm always using steamers because they work way better. And guys, this one is so very cute. It's pink, and this one is available in a few colors. It's available in white and in pink and in blue and in violet. And I've got mine in pink, of course, because that's my favorite color ever. This one works amazing. It's a handheld, so you definitely can take this one with you. It's so very comfortable to take this one with you anywhere. And it is only needs 20 seconds to get heated up. Comes with a great pressure and with an amazing ability of ironing. I love how small it is, so it's definitely can be taken out with you, like, you know, for any type of traveling. If you have any business trips that you definitely don't want to go there with an unironed cloth, so this one will work best and amazing for you. The next product will be this mini curling iron with a 9 millimeters of a ceramical hair curling iron. So this one can create these small, gorgeous, small little cute, tiny curls. This one is definitely unisex and it just works amazing. And guys, you can see on your screen that currently it's available for $11.24. Now I found exactly the same brand on Walmart, exactly same, very the same product on Walmart, same brand for $19, to be correct, $18.78 to be correct. So it's like almost half of the price. It's about like 40% less than on Walmart. So definitely it's exactly the same product, way more affordable. I mean, why paying more when you can pay less? Doesn't make any sense to pay for the same product, exactly the same brand, same product, or even for the same product that looks the same, works the same, and same quality of the product, more money. Why pay more when you can pay less? It just doesn't make sense, guys, right? So I'm just super excited to show you all these products for such a cheap and great price. And the last product for today gonna be this hair straightener. And this one is here for just $34.49. This is a hair straightener electric curling or straightening iron hair brush. This one works great for styling any type of a hair, so you can use it to curl your hair, you can use it to straighten your hair. The comb itself works amazing. It's an anti-scalding comb. Also, it works on the negative ion emitter technology, which makes your hair to glow, to shine, to look super healthy and look super good. And also, I love how flexible the cord is. So the rotation of the cord is a 360 degrees rotation, so you definitely will be able to use this one with such a great confidence. It can go as hot as up to 400 Fahrenheit degrees, and it just works so very great. And guys, at the sales event on AliExpress, this one goes for just $34.49. By the way, the prices can be lower than what I'm showing you here today, guys, because it's like change. So if you see a different price a little bit lower, sure, it's definitely possible. So it's $34.49 before applying any coupons. Love this brush so very much. So guys, there is no reason to pay more. I mean, why pay more? Now it's all up to 90% off up on AliExpress. Double 11 Global Shopping Festival Sale. Here is another great thing. You can use my code to get from $9 to $25 off. Again, so you can get all these products and any other products you would like at much more lovely prices, even lower than what I showed. So guys, here is all the coupon codes right now on your screens. You can get $9 off on orders over $60, $15 off, or $25 off. Depends how much are you buying. So why pay more? It's all available there on AliExpress, and it's all a great products that works amazing. So guys, if you are interested in these products and in this deal, just use the links at the description box down below to this video of mine. There are all the information that is relevant for this video of mine, guys, all the links for all the products with all the coupon codes. So yeah, I definitely suggest you guys to check it all out, and I really hope that you will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed it too.
Guys, I really hope you are excited the same way that I do about all these gorgeous, great, excellent working products for such an affordable prices. Like this hair curler is less than $12. Where can you find that type of prices out there? Nowhere, not exist. Only on this event, only on AliExpress. Moreover than that, these products as well as thousands of other type of products on AliExpress, everything is gonna be even cheaper than right now. So you definitely should stay tuned with AliExpress. Guys, all of the information, all of the links, all of the discount codes, every freaking thing, every single thing will be pinned at the first comment to this video of mine, as well as located at the description box down below to this video of mine as well. So guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check it all out. Huge, amazing, great event. AliExpress, from my personal experience, I shopped on AliExpress for like 15 years at least, and they are delivered worldwide. All of their products are great, extremely affordable, and they always, that's the best thing about AliExpress, have some type of coupons and great events like every single holiday, and sometimes not just for a holiday, sometimes just because they wanna make an event. All the time, different types of events. So these products and thousands of other products are expected to be even cheaper than what you have seen today. So guys, this is a great platform for shopping. Highly recommended to check them out. And yeah, that was actually all for today. Please let me know at the comments which one of these products is your the most favorite one and why. Let me know your opinion. If you've ever shopped on AliExpress, let me know what do you think. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't. What is wrong with you? Give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.